with fire and roar. From the ashes rose the blood once more. Vil'grorn's heart, torn but strong, gave birth to 5, the world's war song. Grorn'ka, thur, Drok'mar, ul'thra.
Blood of Grorn, rise through the storm.
Thok'du, Sha'rok.
Blood who calls, the tribe shall march.
Thok'du the first, the fire's son, speaker of spirits, chosen one. He walks between the worlds unseen, where the bones whisper and rivers stream.
Mok'ra Vil'grorn, gra'zul na 5.
By Vil'grorn's name,
5 shall rise, 4 in shadow, 1 in flame.
4 in shadow,
1 in flame.
and the world will learn their name.
4 remain in tales untold. Their faces lost, their fate grown cold.
But orcs still sing beneath the moon, for the 5 shall come again soon.
Thok'du, son of Grorn.
Mok'ra Vil'grorn.
Thok'du, son of Grorn.
Through war and flame our kin reborn.